So they're scattered throughout a lot of the Marine Corps air stations on the West Coast. They're located at the Marine Corps Air Station Miramar, as well as the Marine Corps Air Station Pendleton, which are both around San Diego. On the East Coast, they're located at MCAS New River, which is in North Carolina. You can also find Fighter Squadrons out in Hawaii, as well as in Japan or Absolutely. They provide us really critical situational awareness of everything going on around us, beneath us, behind us, to the
1,000 pounds of thrust to accelerate the aircraft to its takeoff speed of 130 miles an hour. And no, that's not the Rhino. That's Mike Oliver in a Corsair F4U. On takeoff, they will perform. You'll see Mike Oliver leading in a very, very rare F4U Corsair, the -7 model. The tailhook legacy flight, ladies and gentlemen. A great look at the most modern aircraft from 80 years ago and how it stacks up to one of the most modern. Captain Kenneth Walsh of the Marine Corps, the first Corsair ace, meaning he got 5 kills in the Corsair, finished World War II with 21 air-to-air kills in the Pacific. Take a look straight ahead. It was actually built for the French Navy, and this aircraft fought in the Indochina War of 1953, the Suez Canal War of 56, it also flew in the Algerian War. It was removed from combat duty in 1960. Between prop-driven fighter, lower the tail wheel gently to the runway. But once it comes on down to the runway, the nose is very, very high up on the aircraft and he can't see in front of it. So he looks out to the left, he's got concrete. Looks out to the right, he's got concrete. It must be going straight ahead and everything's looking okay. That's why when you see these aircraft taxi, they're doing S-turns because the pilot is looking out left and right of the aircraft, trying to see where they're going. Mike Oliver in there, a very, very acclaimed Warbird pilot, the head of the Erickson collection.